record right here. Ah! Look at all those balls. Oh, I can see on the road.
Yeah.
It looks like snow. Ah!
Stop.
There's a big one coming. Oh, he's out.
Wow.
Look at those sides. It's not snow. A big one's coming.
Okay, now I think it's snowing.
Should I stop recording?
You see? It's March 20, what? 21?
20 something. I don't know. Wait, I can look at my finger.
And it's ice snowing. Ice raining. I don't know what this is.
Today is March 22,
March 22nd.
and it's Friday, 2019. I know. Oh. He was just looking at it. How can it get dangerous?
They could get big. It's called hail, but I don't know what this is. Hail with snow.